Hey guys, this is Brian out here in Eagle, Idaho, and today I just wanted to show you a little bit about how we steam clean the inside of a vehicle and really why it's important, and really just walk you through our process here of why we steam clean. I'll just kind of give you a close-up. These really hard to reach areas like around your running boards are some of the toughest places to get when you're detailing a car. And so like all these rubber, the rubber loops right here, and then you've got just right up along here along the running boards, can be really difficult. So just wanted to show you a little demonstration of our steam cleaner and how it gets rid of all of these. So after we've steam cleaned it, just give it a good wipe down. And every once in a while we'll have to go over it, several times, but as you can tell, it just does a great job of cleaning it up, getting all that nasty stuff out of there. So that is a little demonstration of our steam cleaning process on the inside of a car.